ako sa bahay namin at magpapa-install kami ng aircon for our guest room. So yun, I didn't really do much puyat last night because I need to get some sleep. At aarangkada na naman si Inday this morning. So yung bagong kabit na to, it's a Panasonic, maarte, medyo.
Yun kasi nagdidig sila ng tiles eh, so nagre-reklamo yung filter.
May sensor po kasi ito eh.
Ah, may sensor siya. Kaya madaling na detect.
It's a Panasonic in our guest room. So, ayun. Tapos na kinabitan yung guest room namin. It's Panasonic Aircon. 1.5 horsepower also. Medyo malit lang siya, but then it works. Yeah, medyo malit kasi yung guest room namin. So, eventually, it works. Pang guest room lang naman eh. Ayoko nga sana ng Panasonic. Kaso si Jason, he's like, he doesn't care kasi he's not going to sleep there naman, so it doesn't matter to him. But anyways, now that the AC in the guest room is done assembling, we're going to AC ba ni Jason na he wanted to change to retiling in the bathroom. So, punta kami ng Aircon ngayon and buy materials. So, yeah, or in a whole day. Basta, bibili kami ng materials. And materials, but we're gonna go on tiles first. It's really hard to... We have suki. Actually, we have suki. So, FC tiles. Where you can buy a lot of like more tiling, like tiles, toilets, and bathtub, but you cannot buy a faucet there kasi more on tiles lang sila talaga yung FC tiles. So yeah, let's go and we're going there. Okay, so thank you for watching. We have bed in our guest room na, and AC also. Beddings na lang, but it can be later.